Apparently, if you do voluntary work, the neurons in your brain connect better than if you do it for money or for personal benefit. So that is one reward you're going to get. Okay, but we also figured that people who are doing, if you're an architect, having this recognition is a great thing because you get more awards, then you get more work, you whatever, right? If you are an ecologist and it's written about somewhere, then that's great. If you're an artist and your installation can be featured somewhere, that's great. That's a side benefit of what we can do. So this innovation, civic innovator competition we're launching today we'll give you the details in 1 week. You will see it up on our Facebook page, which is the Kaikondrali Lake Facebook page. But basically it is, I'll give you a couple of examples of the kinds of things that we're looking at. For instance, at our lake, we spend close to 2 lakhs every year removing the weeds that come. The weeds have a function. They suck nutrients, which is basically the sewage that's coming into the lake. They suck those nutrients and they grow. But if you don't harvest them, then they just destroy the lake. Right? So we need to keep harvesting them so that new weeds can come in, they can suck more nutrients up. Yeah. A good innovation that we are looking for is that if somebody who has a design background can look at these weeds, see the fiber content of these weeds, and if you're working in handicraft, see if you can use it to make reed mats, furniture, whatever it is. Come, take the weeds. It's raw material that's available for you for free. Give us a proposal. We will go to the BBMP and we'll say this is the thing, it's not harming the lake, it will help the lake. Come, you take the raw material for free, go and make your thing, make your money, power to you, good for the lake, right? You're an artist and you want to do an installation. We have lots of walls around here, bathroom walls, everything. Maybe you can do murals, stories, whatever that inspire more people to come and read about the lake, or stories of nature, whatever it is. So this competition is called Start Where You Are. Okay, so start where you are. If you're a teacher and you think you have something that you could do, which are science modules for school children, bring it on. Okay, so come to us with ideas, send it to us. Like I said, in a week it'll be launched. There'll be an email address where you can send it. If you are a kid, you can bring 10 kids together from your school and think of an innovative idea that would help solve a problem that works not in isolation but works with the government, with all of all the people around. So that's the competition we want to launch today. And we also want to solicit, this is basically crowdfunding, crowdsourcing ideas to improve in any field in this area. And we will help facilitate with the right officers if permissions are needed. Yeah. So if you have any ideas, if you want to discuss anything, or if you have any questions about any of this, now is the time.